everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a GoPro Hero 8 camera. I'll be going over the step-by-step instructions for charging this action camera. Let's get right into the video. All that you need is your GoPro Hero 8 action camera. You also need the included charging cable that came with the camera, and then you need a power brick. Okay, so in my case, there was no power brick. I believe that it doesn't come with one, but you probably have lots of these lying around. I have maybe like 20 of these lying around for my various devices, so I'm sure you have one lying around. So get your charging cable and the USB end right here, sort of the standard USB end that you're used to seeing. You're gonna plug this into the power brick just like that. Plug that into a wall outlet. So let me plug it in and then I'll show you. As you can see right there, I plugged it into the wall outlet up there. The other end of the charging cable is hanging over here. Now this is the end that's going to plug into the actual action camera. So in order to access the charging port, we need to open up this door over here. This is where your battery is, your charging port, and then your micro SD slot as well. Okay, so to open this up, you're just going to press this little tab away from the camera, just like this, and you're going to expose that little red piece. Then what you can do is you can sort of use this to lift it up, and it's on a hinge over here, as you can see. And then we've exposed, like I said, the battery, the micro SD little slot, and then the charging port. So to charge the camera, all that we have to do, take our end of the charging cable right here, plug it into the camera, and you're gonna see that light illuminate, which is gonna let us know that it's charging. That's it. So that's how to charge a GoPro Hero 8 action camera. Step-by-step instructions. I made it so easy to understand how to do it. I've shown you exactly how to do it. And it's not that hard. But if you're looking at the camera trying to find the charging port, you might be looking around for a while until you realize that it's within the compartment. So that's why I feel like it's necessary to make a video like this, because most people are going to look for it and they might look over here and they can't find it. But in reality, it's actually inside behind that door over there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.